guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I did any makeup look and I'm sorry. I think I've been caught up in the vlogging world because I've got to realize that I actually kind of like vlogging, and it made it easier for me as opposed to sitting in the studio and recording a video. But I felt like it's been long overdue for a makeup look, and that's why I came up with this one. By the way, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're an oldie, hey, it's been a minute, right? I missed you guys too. But anyway, I'm just going to show you guys how I created this look. So this is a nude look, by the way, and well, anyway, I like to call this an advanced level nude makeup, so because it entails a lot of colors and blending and all that fun stuff. But I mean, if you are a daring beginner, you could also tag along. So please, if you'd like to know how I achieved this look, please keep watching. So I've gone ahead to do my eyebrows, and if you'd like to see a video on how I do that, I'll just put it up here. And so today I'm going to be working with two eyeshadow palettes. I'll be working with the Morphe 352 and the Morphe 350M. So first of all, I would be highlighting my brow bone using the 350M, using the shade right here, and I'll just apply it right on my brow bone. I do this because I like to dull the shine coming from the concealer that I use under my brow bone to give me that crisp look on my eyebrows. This is out of preference actually, you don't have to do this, but I just like to do it. I'm going to apply my transition color, and I'll be using the Sedona Lace EB15 brush, blending brush, to do that. So for my transition color, I'll also be using the 350M palette, and I'll be using this shade right here. For control, it's advisable to dust any excesses that your brush picks up so that you know exactly what you're doing. I would not advise that you just walk into your eyes like that, so you build gradually. So up next, I would still like to add more to my transition color, so I'll be using a darker tone of a transition color but something still similar. So I'll be using this shade right here at the end, and I'm still going to work it. So now I'm going to use the Kiko blending brush to blend it all together, fading it out towards my brow bone. So I'll be using this color right here for my eyelid. Now when I'm applying eyeshadow to my eyelid, I don't bother dusting it up because I'm trying to build the color, so I just pack it in there. Now I like to add like a little bit of smoky eye to the corners of my eye, so I'll go in using this color right here. So you can stop here if you want, but I still want to make it a bit darker. So I'll take this color. It's still a brown, but it's much darker, and work it to the outer corners of my eye. So I feel like I still want to go darker. So I'm actually picking, so now I'll just pick a black and work it in. But I'm going to be very gentle with the black because I still don't want it to look too dark, so I'm just going to dust that black in there for more intensity. Yeah, I think this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'll stop there with that eye, and then I'll go in here. So I'm just dusting it in there just for that intensity. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So you can go ahead and blend. If there's any harsh lines, you blend away. Make sure you use a clean brush to do this. So with this done, next thing I'm going to do is to apply my eyeliner. I'm using my go-to eyeliner, that's the NYX matte liquid liner, and I'll just line my eyes. I may move out of the camera a little bit, so bear with me because I'm trying to use the mirror. Okay, you guys can still see me, so that's good. So first of all, what I do is I wing my eyes. It depends on how long you want your wing to be, so I'm okay with that one. So how I wing my eyes, I just fill it in a little bit and then I pull it back inside. So now I'm done with my liner, and this is what it looks like. I'm not completely done with my eyes, but I'm just going to go in with my foundation, and then I'll come back to the eyes. So now I'm done with my eyes. I'll be using the Becca primer for my face. Just going to I'll be doing the powder before foundation technique, so I'm using the Beauty Bakery setting powder. Then I'm going to be using my OG, the Mary Kay foundation in 507. I'll be blending it with the Fenty foundation. The Fenty is going to serve like, sort of like a concealer, or like to brighten up my face. And then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty. Now this is the reason why I don't like to apply my eyeliner on my waterline before I use my foundation, because I like to make sure that the foundation or the concealer gets directly underneath my eyes without any hassle. So yeah. So this is what Fenty does. Can you see the difference? So I'm just going to add a little bit of the ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade Tan. So I'm going to put that here, here, around my lip area, and on my forehead. Then I'm going back in with the Beauty Bakery setting powder, and I'm using that to set underneath my eyes. I won't be baking. I haven't been baking for quite a while now. Just going to push that in immediately. So to bring some warmth back to my face, I'll be going in with this Nip and Fab contour palette, and I'll be using these two shades right here. And then for my nose, I'll go in with this cute MAC brush. This brush came from a Christmas collection. I bought it like years ago. I can't even remember what year I got this. This is the MAC 286 SE brush. And then I'm not really a fan of sculpting the nose, so I just go very lightly. With that done, I'll be using my MAC NC45 powder for my face all over. And then for my blush, I'll be using the Jumia Sahara blush palette in volume 2, and I'll be using this brown earthy tone right here. Then I'll be using my Sigma tapered highlighter brush in F35, and I'll pick up this color right here for my highlights. So here's the thing, I feel like I'm not glowing enough yet, so I'm going to add more. I'll be using my Black Up and Jenny Jenkins highlighter. This is the palette 2. I'll pick up this shade right here and I'll use it. But you have to be very careful with this highlighter because it is super pigmented. So I'm just going to dust that. So this is one makeup secret that I always do. I use the residue from my brush and I fold in my lips and use that brush around my lip line, so that when I'm applying my lipstick, I don't have to go back and do any kind of highlights again, if that makes sense. And then I'm also not a fan of the shiny nose, so I just dust it a little bit and then on my forehead, and that's it. So that's about it for the face. And then now I'm going to go in and finish up my eyes. So now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal pencil. I'll use that for my waterline. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. smudge brush. I'm going to apply a little bit of my eyeshadow color to my waterline. Well, not to my waterline, like underneath my eyeshadow. So using my e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm just going to pick up this color here and smudge it under my eyeliner. Up next is my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I love this mascara. I haven't been able to find any other mascara better than this, in my opinion. Because I feel like it just picks up my eyelashes individually. It separates it, it builds it, it just does everything. Up next, we're going to do lashes. So this is my first time trying out these lashes. I got these lashes from AliExpress, so wish me luck. Let's see how it turns out. So now I'm done with the lashes. I'll be using these two pencils from NYX to line my lip. And I'm just going to blend the two of them together. Up next, I'll be using this MAC lipstick in medium rare, and I'll put that in the center of my lip. Now, if you know me, you know that I'm not a gloss person, but in this Harmattan, I feel like I should just top it up with a little bit of gloss. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. And yeah, my wig is from truetresses.ng on Instagram. You might want to check them out. Everything was colored and made by them. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Bye.